Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do this video today because I've been getting quite a few questions about what brushes I use and stuff like that, and I've actually done a brushes video before, but today in particular this lighting is just doing too much, but I don't want to use artificial, so sorry if it goes like in and out of lighting. I'll try to fix it in the editing. I've been in many situations where I don't have makeup brushes, or I forget my makeup brushes, or they're dirty and I can't bother to wash them. So I'll show you guys how I do my makeup without brushes. So I've done my skincare. Skincare, of course, you don't need to use a brush unless you're doing like a face mask. So that is completely fine, as normal procedure there. And then I'm gonna go in with the highlighter first step. This is a highlighter and primer. This is the Estee Lauder, the Illuminator. I usually do this step with my fingers anyway. I just put it on the back of my hand or on the fingertips, and I then just rub it into my skin like cream. This primer, as the name suggests, is more for illuminating and evening out any redness and stuff, and less for minimizing pores. So if you're not looking for that, then avoid this primer. Next up is foundation or a BB cream. Now when I'm using my fingers, I try not to use heavy based creams like, what's it called, what's the word? Not heavy, what's the word? Not heavy, not sheer, full coverage. I try not to use full coverage foundations. I opt for BB creams or foundations that go well with cream, so I can mix the two and it like blends really nicely. The BB cream I'm gonna use today is the Vichy Mineral Blend BB cream. I don't know whether I want to mix this with a cream or just use it alone. I think this can be used alone. I think it's best when it's with a brush. So I think I'm gonna mix it with a cream. I'm just gonna use like any cream I have laying around, just a small amount of cream because I don't want to like clog my pores because I've already done my skincare. So I'm going to apply a bit on the back of my hand, then I take my foundation or BB cream, whatever it is I'm using, and this just makes the process so much easier. You kind of get a 2-in-1. You can skip the skincare routine and just do this first, so you don't have too much cream on your skin. And I just like to blend that all on, scoop it up. This might look a bit nasty on camera, but it's not, and it like makes the whole process so much easier. Next up, I'm gonna do concealer. Now I have two favorites that I love to blend because they're so easy to blend with fingers. It's the YSL Touche Eclat and also the Maybelline Fit Me or the NARS Radiant Creamy. But I don't know which one I'm gonna, I think I'm gonna use the Maybelline, and then I'll see if I use a Touche Eclat. Yeah, I'm gonna use the Maybelline, and I just follow the same steps as if I was using a brush. Apply a very small amount because we're using fingers, we don't want to overdo it. And then I just imagine it's like an eye cream, and I just pat it under my eyes or on my chin. 2 fingers to make it easier and quicker. Eyebrows I'm not gonna do this day because I really can't, unless I just like do a bit of this just to spruce them up. I don't like to apply any powder or anything when I don't really have control because it can get really messy. So I'm just gonna like brush them. But yeah, for contour or bronzer, I like to use creams instead of liquids. But with liquids, I feel like you need ultimate control, and with our fingers and hands, I don't think you have that. And sometimes liquids can dry up very quickly and you can't blend it fast enough. So I'm gonna use a cream. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Mocha. And what I like to do is warm it up on the back of my hand. The back of my hand is like essential. I should maybe invest in like a palette or something. I just put a little bit, and then I like warm it up on the back of my hand, if that makes sense. I like warm it, rub it, and then just tap. Tap, not rubbing because I don't want to move any product that I've already placed on my skin. And it just blends so much nicer when you give the product time to warm up. it just works with you. It just works in your favor and not against you. This is the bronzer done. I think it looks so beautiful. Like, it just looks so natural, and like, it looks like I used a brush. It doesn't look any different. So do take on this tip. I think this tip is a major one. Always use creams when you're going for like no brushes, like easy formula. You know, I think most people like using creams. Then for highlight, I'm gonna use a liquid because I don't think I have a cream highlight. So I'm just gonna do the same. As always, back of the hand, use a very small amount first. And then just apply it on my cheeks. Always clean your hands before and in between steps, otherwise you're just like putting product all over your face. Always pat. Patting is key. Never rub. Have some patience and just like work with it, you know. For blush, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush in the shade Summertime Wine. Yes, not fine, wine. This product's in a pan, so I'm just going to take the product from the pan, put it on my hand again, and then just do it from there. Eyeshadow, I'm just going to do some basic eyeshadow. This is the e.l.f. No Budge shadow stick in the, I don't know if that's the shade, or the shade is Bronze Metal, and it's a stick which is helpful. I'm just going to apply a small amount and then blend with my finger. I do this step anyway, so this is nothing new. I usually put eyeshadow with my finger, so. Bit of definition, gonna go in with a brown pencil. This is the Gosh Woody eyeliner, and just for the eyeliner, I'm gonna use my pinky just for precision, and it's because it's the smallest finger. Just gonna blend it like this, like so, like that. Final step is lips, and I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty, what is this one? The Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick in Make Out Break. And I'm gonna put this on my finger. So yeah guys, this is the final look. No brushes, everything with my hands. They're a bit greasy and shiny from all the product. But I'm actually really happy. Like, I didn't expect it to look this good. Like, everything looks blended, like just normal. So I hope this video shows you guys that you don't need to go out and spend all this money on brushes that are fancy. Don't get me wrong, there are some very, very good brushes out there that I can't live without, but always look at home and look at what you have, use what's around you first, and if you like outgrow that, which I think I did, then you can start investing in other things. This lighting is really bugging me out right now. Just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for all the love recently and all the new people that have joined my channel and subscribed. Hello, I see every single one of you guys, so welcome to the family and welcome to embracing your natural beauty. I hope you guys stick around and watch some other videos, and stay tuned for any future videos I have coming, which will be like every week. I hope you guys stay safe, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.